Okay, coming back. Something I forgot in the other video, and I wanted to mention before it might happen again today. Uh, why did this short ladder attack happen here on the timing? And this is just speculation, my observation, but I think this is probably the reason. So our stocks are also traded in Europe and all over the world if the country allows them. Europe actually has a pretty big impact when people are buying and selling shares in Europe. Their hours are different, of course. So basically this time right here, US is open as well as Europe. And you know when Europe closes? Right here. Literally right here. So it closed at different times, different parts of Europe. Looked it up. Broader Europe, 11:40, 11:30, 12:30, all around that 11:30 time. UK is a big one, 11:30. So to add to the manipulation, what were they trying to do? People in Europe are watching this, and this is at the end of their day. This is literally right before they close. It's tanking, it's halting, it's tanking, it's halting. What would you do? And then if their brokerages also let them buy, they're going to sell and dump. This is clear. Literally the bottom was right at 11:25. Europe closed trading here, and then boom. And then it's just Americans. Like, what happened? All right. To prep for today, that they might have another short ladder attack. And yeah, it might be right about there by 11:30. Can't confirm. I'm just maybe guessing. I wouldn't try. I mean, I'm not going to. You do whatever you want. This is not a recommendation. I'm not going to try and time it or predict it dropping and try and make money on the downside. I'm in GameStop long. I'm not trying to day trade it. I think this is a short squeeze, and I want to be a part of that. So I'm buy shares and I'm holding them, and I'm not setting limit orders. I'm going to hold until they start covering shorts. This is still over 100% shorted, so they're hemorrhaging money right now. And any good hedge fund doesn't want to hemorrhage money. So the longer they fight, the more they're losing. And the more they lose, that means the more the stock price is going to go up when they cover. Literally, the longer this goes on at a high price, if it stays high, the longer that happens, the higher it will go when they cover. 1,000, 2,000, I don't know, but I am pretty certain of that. So I'm going to be prepared for this short ladder attack. Try and buy at the dip if I can. And I have 4 brokerages honestly going. So that's kind of what I decided to do, because they might start trying to block buying of them. SPY is running up right now. I am kind of predicting the SPY is going to keep selling off. I think it's kind of inversing GameStop, literally. It's not doing it right now, but if GameStop starts shooting or starts dropping, I think it inverses this. Basically, SPY goes up, GameStop goes down, GameStop goes up, SPY goes down. All the hedge funds are having to pull out long positions in other stocks that are in the SPY to cover, basically to put money into GameStop, because they're just hemorrhaging money over here. And that I believe is why this was the biggest drop since October. This drop in the stock market that happened yesterday, I wasn't paying attention at all. I mean, I kind of was looking at it, I'm like, wow, it almost dropped 3%. This is the biggest drop since October. That's a long time. That's like 3 or 4 months. And we're in bear territory now. Big red candle under the 9 moving average. MACD's crossed over. That's why I have these trades now too. SPY puts, UVXY calls. I need to get more time on this one. This one expires today. Too far out of the money. It's not going to work. But yeah. So on the bounces, what I'm doing for the SPY, these green days, these big bounce days, I'm buying puts on the SPY. I'm kind of going off track, but this is all related to GameStop. GameStop could start to, I don't want to say crash the market, but correct the market. Basically bring the market back into a correction territory. I don't know if someone's going to step in before then, but be prepared for this short ladder attack. If you are holding long on GameStop, yeah, in the stock market, I don't panic sell. And when I've noticed it's only caused me to wish I held. My biggest wins in the stock market have always been buying and holding. as weird as that sounds. Short little quick gains seem good in the moment, but then I keep doing it and then I lose. See you in a little bit, guys. Sub up, like up, comment down. Happy money will stick around. Peace out.